Hello and welcome. Today I have something special to announce, and it's about EmuGUI. Indeed, today I have to announce that the first anniversary of EmuGUI is coming, and yes, I mean it, because the first version of EmuGUI has been released on the 7th of June 2022. Soon we have the 7th of June 2023, and that's how I have to announce this. So today I discuss how EmuGUI was made and so on. So the thing is, I didn't even expect that I would make something like EmuGUI. See, there were already a few. Yep, EmuGUI originally wasn't going to exist. But let's see, Words Manager is only for Linux. Qt-GUI doesn't really suit me, and QEmu Manager, or however that old GUI is called, is too old. So what I decided to do is a GUI for QEmu, which is focused on the emulation, and that's how EmuGUI originally came to be. That's how EmuGUI was released on the 7th of June 2022. Of course, there were some issues, but at least they would get fixed. Now, I can't believe it, but it's my most popular program now. And that is really something I wrote out of frustration, literally. I mean, it wasn't going to be made. So what made me is that the alternatives weren't really good for me. Not for Windows. And that's how I made this. That's the first anniversary coming around. On the 7th, I plan to release EmuGUI 1.1 into the stable on the 7th of June 2023. Of course, I may not be able to do it on time, and it might come too late depending on your time zone as well. And it also really depends on my computer if I can compile it and on some other stuff. But hey, EmuGUI is 1.1 is really close to being finished. I only have to do some finishing stuff. And yeah, then EmuGUI 1.1 will include TBM support, acceleration support, of course a new banner, because why not? And there are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 languages being introduced. Yep, 6 languages will come to EmuGUI. Additionally, there are some more things to do. Now we come to the future of EmuGUI. First of all, there was GPU pass-through support requested by Vintage T Penguin on the EmuGUI Discord server. Unfortunately, I mean, my PC does have the ability to let me develop this feature, but I don't really want to mess around with this just to implement this feature. But of course, there are some architectures which EmuGUI supports, but EmuGUI doesn't. There is some more potential. If I look in the QEmu folder of my computer, there is Alpha, there is Long Arc, there's the M68K, which isn't supported yet, even WSQI and Tricore. And yeah, you see, there is still a lot of potential, and let's not waste the potential. And because of that, I also have an idea to make the anniversary a little bit more interesting. More EmuGUI tutorials. Let me write. I plan to make EmuGUI tutorials in the upcoming weeks for the anniversary. And yeah, that's how it is. But for now, I can't really do anything more now. I just say goodbye and see you next time.